Hello everyone! Today we are going to see how to make an easy Mother's Day cake. To make this cake, I have taken a 9-inch round cake and also I have prepared some whipping cream to frost this cake. You can use any cake of your choice, whichever flavor you like, vanilla or chocolate, any cake you can choose. Frost the cake with whipping cream. I am using whipping cream, you can use buttercream also. Once you frost it neatly, then put it in the fridge for about 20 minutes. In the meantime, with the remaining cream, I am going to color this cream. I am using baby pink color. You can use any color of your choice. Just add 1 drop of this color and mix it well. Once you mix this nicely, put this in a piping bag. I am using disposable piping bag. I have fitted this disposable piping bag with a star nozzle. I am using a small star nozzle. You can use any nozzle that you have at home. Now I am not a professional baker, so I am not confident about writing on the cake. So I used a toothpick. You can use a toothpick or a skewer and just outline whatever you want to write on the cake. I made a very simple Mother's Day cake, so I am just writing mom on top of the cake. Once you outline it, it's very easy to pipe on top of the outline. Bring your piping bag from the fridge and just pipe on top of this whatever you've written on the cake. Once I finish this, I put a border all around the cake on top and at the bottom. I use the same nozzle to pipe the borders. If you want, you can change your nozzle and pipe the borders. So this is a very simple and easy idea to make a Mother's Day cake. Do try it out. Until next time, bye bye.